good morning to all employer in Hong Kong. I am BJ Arigo, 25 years old, single, 149 centimeter and 55 kilogram. I live in the province of Barsat East, Bagao, Cagayan Valley, Philippines. My religion is a Roman Catholic and my highest educational attainment is college level, Bachelor of Science Information Technology. My father's name is Jolito A. Batarina. His occupation is security guard, and my mother's name, Remilin A. Batarina. She's housekeeper. We are 4 siblings in the family, 1 brother and 2 sisters. I am the first siblings in the family. This is my first time to work abroad, ma'am and sir, but I have work experience here in the Philippines as a housemaid since June 1, 2023 to June 5, 2025. I serve 4 members in the family, such as 1 couple and their twins daughter. My duties and responsibilities are cooking, cleaning, ironing, marketing, washing dishes, washing clothes, taking care of pets, and especially taking good care of their children. And now, I confident to work abroad, ma'am and sir, to my futures and to provide my needs of my family. Ma'am and sir, I am honest, hardworking, trustworthy, and very active person. And now, I will promise I will obey your household chores and regulations to serve your family with love. Thank you.